Welcome on YouTube. I got something new for you guys today. Now this is something that I've been looking up for myself, and I haven't really found anything on YouTube about the Durangos. But today we're gonna be removing the back covers for the side mirror. I want to take off mine so I can wrap it in carbon fiber. So let's get started. So the very first thing that we're gonna do, first step is we're gonna push the mirror back like that, so we have a better space to work with, because we're gonna have to get behind the mirror. But before we get started, I want to show you something. So this is a mirror that I got just in case anything happens. But if you look, these clips are what we're gonna be trying to pry off. These clips are what's holding the mirror to your vehicle. So we are gonna try and you're gonna use your fingers to try and get behind there and pry it off without breaking the mirror. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna push your mirror back just like this, and then you're gonna start from where I'm starting. So you gotta get your fingers behind there and gently pry it out. Oh, that wasn't gently, but we got it to work. So if you look, you're gonna see the sensors for the heat. You can unplug these clips. Just remember where everything goes when you do unplug them. So now when you look inside, you're gonna see the clips that's holding the back covers. We are going to open these up, and then there's one all the way, if I can get it to focus, all the way back there. That should be the hardest one, but we have to get those open and the back cover comes off. Okay, so once you get the clips off, now it's time to take the back cover off. There should be some other small clips at the bottom. Somewhere here, there's some little clips there. So you just gotta take your time, pry it out. Here we go. And there you go, back cover is off. Like that. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to wrap this in carbon fiber black, and then we're gonna put it back on. Okay, so I just finished wrapping it in carbon fiber black. There's a little bit of imperfections. I'm not a rapper though, so I don't mind. It was a little bit harder than I anticipated to wrap, but now we are gonna put back the cover on. So these are where the notches are gonna go. You're gonna line it up and just simply snap it in. And then you can come around this side to make sure that it's snapped in properly. So now we're gonna get the glass, put back these connections, and then put the glass back into this case. Okay, so I went ahead and I put the connections back where they're supposed to be for the heat, and I think the other one is for the light glare, the glare of the car light. So now you're just gonna line it up, because where those notches are is gonna go around this big circle. So all you have to do is just line it up, press it hard, and it should snap back into place. So there we go. I went ahead and I snapped it in. It was pretty easy, and it's moving normally now. So yeah, so that was my little how-to video. Now I have my carbon fiber cover to match my carbon fiber light cover here. So if this video helped you, just drop a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and thanks for watching, man.